Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about earning millions of dollars with branded dropshipping. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding branded dropshipping and choosing the right niche. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's digital age, earning millions through branded dropshipping has become an enticing opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. But what exactly is branded dropshipping? Essentially, it involves selling products from a third-party supplier under your own brand name, allowing you to create a unique identity without the hassle of inventory management. This business model offers significant financial potential as it requires minimal upfront investment while enabling you to tap into high profit margins. With the e-commerce landscape booming, more consumers are turning to online shopping, making this the perfect time to dive into branded dropshipping. As trends shift towards personalized shopping experiences, establishing a strong brand can set you apart from the competition. Join us as we explore how you can leverage this growing trend to achieve financial success and build a thriving online business. Understanding branded dropshipping. Branded dropshipping is a unique business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products from suppliers while promoting their own brand. Unlike traditional dropshipping, where products are sold under the supplier's name, branded dropshipping focuses on creating a distinct identity for your store. Key components include selecting quality products, designing custom packaging, and developing a cohesive brand image. Branding plays a crucial role in building customer trust. When consumers recognize and connect with your brand, they are more likely to make repeat purchases. This trust can lead to higher profit margins, as customers are often willing to pay a premium for products they perceive as high quality and reliable. By investing in branding, you not only differentiate yourself from competitors, but also create a loyal customer base that can significantly boost your revenue over time. Choosing the right niche. Selecting a profitable niche is crucial for your branded dropshipping success. Start by researching market trends to identify high-demand products that resonate with consumers. Utilize tools like Google Trends and social media insights to discover what's currently popular. Next, consider your personal interests and expertise. Choosing a niche you're passionate about not only makes the process enjoyable, but also allows you to connect with your audience more authentically. Finally, analyze the competition to find gaps in the market. Look for areas where demand exceeds supply or where existing products lack quality or branding. By combining market research with your interests and a competitive analysis, you can carve out a unique space in the e-commerce landscape. This strategic approach will help ensure that your branded dropshipping business stands out and attracts a loyal customer base. Finding reliable suppliers. Sourcing quality suppliers is vital for the success of your branded dropshipping business. Platforms like Alibaba and Oberlo are excellent starting points to find reputable suppliers who can provide high-quality products. However, it's essential to prioritize quality control and product testing to ensure that what you sell meets your brand standards. Poor quality products can lead to customer dissatisfaction and harm your brand's reputation. Additionally, building strong relationships with your suppliers can significantly enhance your business operations. Open communication and trust can lead to better pricing, priority shipping, and exclusive access to new products. By investing time in finding reliable suppliers and nurturing these relationships, you can create a solid foundation for your branded dropshipping venture. This approach not only ensures product quality, but also fosters a collaborative environment that can drive your business forward. Building your brand. Creating a strong brand identity for your dropshipping business is essential for standing out in a crowded market. Start by focusing on key elements of branding, such as your logo, color scheme, and messaging. Your logo should be memorable and reflect your brand's personality, while a cohesive color scheme can evoke specific emotions and enhance recognition. Additionally, clear and compelling messaging helps communicate your brand values and connect with your target audience. A professional website is crucial. It should be visually appealing and provide an excellent user experience to encourage conversions. Ensure that your site is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and fast-loading. Finally, consistency across all marketing channels, social media, email, and advertising reinforces your brand identity and builds trust with customers. By paying attention to these elements, you can create a powerful brand that resonates with consumers and drives long-term success. Marketing strategies for success. To effectively promote your branded dropshipping products, implementing a variety of marketing strategies is essential. Start by utilizing social media platforms for targeted advertising. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok allow you to reach specific demographics, ensuring your ads are seen by potential customers who are most likely to engage with your brand. Next, focus on implementing SEO techniques to improve your online visibility. Optimize your website with relevant keywords, create high-quality content, and ensure your site is user-friendly to attract organic traffic. Additionally, consider forming partnerships with influencers in your niche. Collaborating with influencers can help you tap into their established audiences, providing authentic endorsements that can significantly boost your brand's reach. By combining these strategies, you can create a comprehensive marketing plan that drives traffic, increases brand awareness, and ultimately leads to higher sales for your dropshipping business. Managing customer relationships. Customer service plays a pivotal role in the success of your branded dropshipping business. Responsive communication with customers is essential. Promptly addressing inquiries and concerns fosters trust and enhances the overall shopping experience. When customers feel valued and heard, they are more likely to return. Additionally, gathering feedback is crucial for improving your products and services. Actively seeking customer opinions can provide valuable insights into what works and what needs enhancement, allowing you to adapt and grow. Furthermore, implementing customer loyalty programs can significantly boost retention rates. By rewarding repeat customers with discounts, exclusive offers, or point systems, you create an incentive for them to choose your brand over competitors. This not only encourages repeat purchases, but also builds a community around your brand. By prioritizing customer service, feedback, and loyalty, you can cultivate lasting relationships that drive long-term success. Scaling your business. Effectively scaling your branded dropshipping business requires a strategic approach. Start by identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, to track your growth. Metrics such as sales volume, customer acquisition cost, and conversion rates will help you understand what's working and where improvements are needed. Once you have a clear picture of your performance, explore options for expanding your product lines or entering new markets. Diversifying your offerings can attract a broader audience and increase revenue streams. Additionally, consider the importance of automation tools to enhance efficiency. Tools for inventory management, order processing, and customer relationship management can save you time and reduce errors, allowing you to focus on growth strategies. By monitoring KPIs, expanding thoughtfully, and leveraging automation, you can scale your branded dropshipping business effectively and sustainably, positioning yourself for long-term success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the key strategies for earning millions with branded dropshipping. We discussed the importance of selecting a profitable niche, finding reliable suppliers, and building a strong brand identity. Effective marketing strategies such as utilizing social media and SEO, along with excellent customer service, are crucial for driving sales and retaining customers. Remember, taking action and staying committed to your goals is essential for success in this competitive landscape. As you embark on your dropshipping journey, don't hesitate to implement these strategies and adapt as needed. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more informative content to support your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your branded dropshipping endeavors. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care